So do you understand trackbacks for your WordPress-powered blog? The trackbacks that they've got are a way to create a link to your content that can be applied to other WordPress blogs. I don't use them. I've found that having just the absolute permalink for a content item is the way to go. Trackbacks, you got to watch them. As your website gets more popular, you get a lot of spammers and so forth, bad guys. They're going to submit content, and then that gives you extra work to do. And Lord knows we don't want any extra work to do. On that note, I'm just going to say the same thing. I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.